Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about a topic, what is ship's natural rolling period. Okay, let's go to the topic. So when a ship is held by an external force such as wind or wave, then this force is suddenly removed, then the ship will start to heel port and starboard. This is known as natural rolling period. So this rolling period will be slowly reduced due to resistance of water and hull. The rolling period will get dampened and will reach to the upright position when there is no external force acting on it. So when the ship starts to heel to the starboard, and when start will returning to upright due to momentum, it will go to the port. So like that the ship will start to roll continuously for a certain period. So at last the frequency will get reduced, at last it will reach to the rest position, and the formula for the rolling period is 2 pi k root g gm. So k is radius of gyration. This will be vary for each ship, and gravity is 9.81 normal constant, very as you know, and gm is metacentric height. So from this formula you can understand, if gm is less, then the rolling period will be more, and if gm is more, then the rolling period is less. So if there is more gm means, then the ship will return to the initial position very fast, so you will feel uncomfortable. If you are having less gm means, then the ship will roll smoothly and return to the upright position, and you can feel comfortable. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you have understood the natural rolling period. We'll see you at next video.